Use the trim removal tool to open the rear cover. Disassemble the rear view mirror bracket. Pull out the power connector. Unscrew the 2 screws at the bottom. Remove the plastic rivet at the same time. Press and hold the dashcam in position. Push in the plastic rivet first. Then push in the screw. Connect the Y cable in series. Plug in the 8-pin circular connector. Install the rear view mirror bracket. Thread the cable through between the 2 clips. Make sure the 2 clips align with the slots on top of the bracket. Organize the cables. Finally, install the rear cover.